What if I told you that with just a single prompt, you can create an entire website and a stunting PowerPoint presentation? In this video, I will introduce you to an incredible AI that not only design but also take your website and presentations to the next level. Don't miss this. Let me give you a quick preview of what this tool can do. Here's a stunting website and a presentation I created in just minutes. So let's dive into this video. Let me guide you on how to achieve it. So first, we'll be creating a website, then we'll be creating a PowerPoint presentation. So for us to create this website, we need to sign in to this AI tool. The link is in the description below. Click on it and it will take you to this page. So once you get to this page, just click on sign up with Google. So it will take you to the account. I've already signed up before, so here are some of the works I've done. Now click on this place, you see create new. Once you click on create new, click on generate. Once you click on generate, click on web page. Then here put in your prompt of what you want AI to create for you as a website. So once you have come here, give it your prompt. Once you give it your prompt, like I said create a modern and visual appealing portfolio website for a freelance graphic designer. Name Alex Gray. The website should include a home page with a professional bio and a future project section, a portfolio page showcasing design project with image and description, and a contact page with a form and social media link. Use a clean and minimalistic design with a white background, bold typography, and accent of blue and gold. Ensure the website is responsive and optimized for both desktop. So click on generate outline. So once it has generated it, click on continue. You can come here and select the kind of colors you want for the design. So once you've selected that, at the top, click on generate. And this is the website, so let's just take a look at it. So you say Alex Gray, if you notice, right? View portfolio, get in touch, and this is the website it has generated for us. Now once it has generated this website for us, if you click on this, you see send a message. So now let's say I want to add a section where you have a form. The person can fill the form and send you a message. So how do we do that? Let me just add this. So what you need to do, just click on this place you see, add blank. So once you click on it, just click on form. So once you click on form, you can decide to add a Google form, jot form. So let's click on jot form. So once you click on jot form, you need to give the name of the form, or you can just copy it if you have a form already. So you can just copy the form and paste it here. So let me copy one of the form I already have on jot form. So I have a form I've created on this jot form. So what I need to do is just for me to click on this place you see more. Once I click on that, I'll just come here, click on share. So if I want to embed, I'll just click here, embed, and just copy this iframe. So just copy this code. So once I copy this code, I'll come back to this my website and paste it. So this is it. So if you notice, so we have a form here. So somebody can use this form and get in touch with me. Now I will be creating another video on how to create a form on jot form to have something beautiful like this. Now if you don't like this color, you can change the color, and this is how to embed a form. So should in case you want to also embed a form, you can use this for embedding the form. Hope you guys understand, right? So let's click on this place you see at the top, then click on preview page, and this is how the page is. You are seeing it, right? So let's look at how it will look like on a tablet. So this is how it will look like on a tablet. This is how it will look like on a tablet. If you scroll down, then on a mobile, let's look at how it will look like on a mobile. So this is the mobile view. So if you notice, the right up is big, so we have to change the right up on mobile. So this is it. So now the next thing I want to also show you is how to add the heading. So how do we add the heading where we have the navigation and some things? So for us to do that is very simple. So just at this point you see, click on this. I want to add the icon, so let me show you how to add the logo or icon. So just click here. So once you click there, the next thing you need to do is to come to this place you see AI image. You can give it a prompt of the kind of icon you want it to create. So once you give it the prompt, you click on generate, it will generate for you the prompt. Now, or you come here, if you already have an image, you can just come here and click on this place you see icons. You can pick from the icons too from here, or you can upload your own image by clicking on this image upload or URL. So let's say I have an image to upload or a URL of an icon I have. Let me show you what I mean. So this is the design logo I like. So I'll just click on this place you see share. Then once I click on share, I'll copy this link. Once I copy this link, I'll go back here. Then I'll paste it here. So once I paste it there, if you notice it's loading here. So the icon, once it finishes loading, the icon will come out here. So that's how to add a icon logo for your website. So this is the image here. So once you do that, close here. Now, how do we now add this top menu and everything here about it? So it's very simple. So come here and click on add link. Now once you click on add link, you need to paste from any of these. So let's say I'm starting with this, so I'll just click on this first one. So once I click on it, instead of click here, I'll remove that click here and put home. Then I'll click on this again. Instead of click here, I'll remove this click here. Similarly, and click on portfolio, which is the next thing. Then I'll click on this place you see paste link and select portfolio design. So that's how I will do it till. So let me do it and get back to you. Okay, so I'm done. I've added all the top. So I want to add a button for the contact. Just click here. Now once you click there, just search for contact, so, or get in touch. Once you do that, then click here and write contact. Now also this place you see is a button. Click on it and click so that it will get to the portfolio section. So this is it. Then also come here, click on these two and also link it to get in touch. So that's how to do the design. So let's click on this place you see at the top. Let's preview it and see. Now if you notice, it now have the home, the portfolio, right, services, wow, featured project, this is it, then about. Now if you also take it to the mobile, see, you can click here, see, right, you can also click here and this is it. So if you like the design, what you can do is just click here and click on publish. So you can click on visit or view site, and this is how the site is. So if you like the way the site is, you can copy this. So I'll be dropping the link also in the description, this link here, and so that you guys can use it to see the website. So this is for the website. So let's go to the next. So the next is the presentation. Let's just do that sharply. So go over here. So once you go over here again, just click on this place you see home. So once you click on home, click on create new, click on generate. Now also you can come here and select the number of cards you want. So let's just say I want 4 cards. Then for that, then you also give it a description of what you want to present. So let's say you work in a company where they always want you to do a PowerPoint presentation. So this will be very helpful and handy. Let's say they're asking you to talk about cyber security, right? So what you just need to do is to come here and write cyber security, and future advancement. So let's say this is it. Just click on generate. Once you click on generate, click here and click on continue. So you can also select the way you want it to be, the color, the font, the way it should be. So let's say I'm going with this. Let me see, which color should I go with? Okay, let's say I'm going with this. No, it's too red for my liking. Okay, let's say I'm going with this. No, I've gone with this before. Let's say I'm going with this. So once you've selected that, just go back to the top and click on generate. So you see, it's creating it for you. So this AI tool is very, very sweet and cool to use. So if you like this is the whole thing. So how do we do? Just click on present at the top. So this is it. It will even come with your name, cyber security and future advancement. So this is it. So if you want to go to the next page, so just click the arrow button on your keyboard. So like that. So it will take you to the next page, and here is all of the page with colors, design and everything. And let's say you don't like the way it is, just click on exit. You can also change the theme. Let's say you don't like this color, you can also change the theme. Just click at this top, you see themes. You can also pick another color you want. Let's say you want this color. So you see it will change the color. I don't know if you noticed, right? It will also change the color for you to this color, and you can also select any other color you would like it to have. So this is all for this video. Now it's your turn to try this tool. The link is in the description, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more tutorials like this.